Well, hello guys, and welcome to the Campground channel where I share interesting and exciting information about the most basic concepts of chemistry. If this video helps you to learn a little bit about this subject, then please like the video, share the video with your friends, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up while watching this video at some point. Now with all this said, let's dive into the class lecture. So today we are going to discuss what is mole. What do we mean by mole? What does it mean and what does it stands for? But before starting this topic, let me give you some examples which are related with our daily life. We use two different kind of units in our daily life. One is the dozen and the other one is kg. Dozen is used to count different things and kg is used to, for example, if you need some bananas, you might go to the fruit shop and ask someone to give you 1 dozen, 2 dozen or 3 dozen bananas. In the same way, if we need some sugar, we might go to the grocery store and we can ask for 1 kg, 2 kg or 3 kg sugar. These two. Now why we use these two different units and these different situations, and the reason for this is very simple. Because if we think about the size of the banana, it's large enough and it's very easy to count the number of bananas. So that's why we prefer to count the number of bananas as compared to measure its mass. In the same way, we can think about the sugar, which is made of extremely small white crystalline particles. Now the exact same idea is applied to the concept of atoms. Atoms are extremely small particles and we can see it with our eyes. Even if we have a powerful microscope, we can see it. That's why we prefer to measure the mass of atoms as compared to count the number of atoms. Now after discussing all these things, now we can define the term mole in two different ways. The first way you can define the term mole is the amount of substance which contains 6.023 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 23 atoms, ions or molecules, and this number is called the Avogadro number, which is equal to 6.023 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 23 atoms, ions or molecules. The second way we can define the term mole is when we simply express the atomic mass of an atom, the molecular mass of a molecule, or formula mass of a formula unit in grams. It is called mole. And here we have different examples. One is atomic helium, the other one is atomic hydrogen, and the other one is the molecule of water. So here you can see that the atomic masses of these species are expressed in grams. These are called the moles of corresponding species. Now if you want to measure the mass of an atom, you can use the mole concept, which allows you to measure the mass of an atom on such a small level, which is the biggest advantage. Another thing I want to remind you again is atomic mass unit is a very small quantity while mole is a bigger quantity, and it's the importance of the mole that it shifts the idea from the micro level to the macro level. Thank you for watching and see you in the next class.